Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change from 6-digit memory code to 4-digit memory code on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on Face ID and Passcode. Now go ahead and type in your 6-digit numeric code that you want to change to 4-digit numeric code. Scroll down and click on Change Passcode. Now type in the current passcode. Then click on Passcode options. Select 4-digit numeric code. Now go ahead and type in your 4-digit numeric code. Repeat the 4-digit numeric code and hang on for your iPhone to confirm the passcode. And once you've confirmed the passcode, then you are good. So that's exactly how to change iPhone passcode from 6-digit code to 4-digit passcode. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.